What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA Saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you the latest news directly related to our story. I will show you that the problem just became much more bigger than we could even imagine. Then I will continue with the news that probably some congressman just changed his opinion related to MMTLP, and it is not the best news, I have to say. And on top of that, I will show you some updates that I forgot to make on my previous video related to Richard Hoffman's lawsuit. So, and before we dive deeper into the news, please share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and drop me a line if you have any useful information directly related to MMTLP. For now, it is extremely difficult to find useful information for the community, and it is not so easy to spread this information to the broader audience. That's why just give me some love and give some love to my channel. Just hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. So let's start with the news itself. On my previous video, I forgot to mention that on the recent video that was made by Richard Hoffman related to his litigation, he stated that Fidelity, in their response, said that the blue sheets doesn't have a spread count. And Richard found completely opposite information on their own side. This means he caught FINRA or that they contradict themselves. And let me show you this. Right here you can see we are on FINRA.org website, and here is the definition of blue sheet data. Electronic blue sheet data files which contain both trading and account holder information provide regulatory agencies with the ability to analyze a firm's trading activity. Firms are expected to provide complete, accurate and timely blue sheet data in response to regulatory requests. Incomplete, inaccurate, and untimely blue sheet data compromises regulators' ability to identify individuals engaging in insider trading schemes and other fraudulent activity. And let me show you additional information that I asked ChatGPT what is trading information according to FINRA. As you can see, it contains trading information, trading and account holder information. And ChatGPT answered. FINRA defines trading information as any information that is used to make or facilitate securities trades, including information about 1. Securities. Information about specific securities such as their price, volume, volatility, dividend history, and other market data. So we can see the volume. Orders. Information about buy or sell orders, including the quantity, price, and timing of the orders. So, in first two bullet points, we already have the answer that FINRA contradicts to itself, and that is why, in my opinion, we have more evidence that FINRA is hiding something behind the scenes. So, let me show you another news. We are on Tony Tweet's Twitter account, and he wrote this tweet just several hours ago, and he tagged Pete Sessions and he wrote, "You had a chance to ask Gary Gensler about MMTLP in a public forum and you passed. We know your office clearly understood the situation because you sent a letter to George Palikaros detailing what you knew. Then your office brought in James J. Angel to undermine the situation. Your office was standing up for justice for retail investors. Then you flipped. Why the charge of heart? Did lobbyists offer you lots and lots of money to take the other way? For some reason, I don't think that is the reason. Or did you see the blue sheets? Did you understand this short position was way worse than anyone imagined? Asking for a friend." So, definitely it is quite a massive tweet, and it is a massive letter to Pete Sessions. And Tony is talking about this letter, let me show it to you, that was written by Pete Sessions. As you can see, it was signed by Pete Sessions to George Palikaros, as you can see, CEO of Meta Materials, and it was written on April the 3rd, 2023. I also covered this letter back in the days at the beginning of April, and this letter is very well written, and it describes and it proves that Pete Sessions' office know a lot about the situation of illegal activity, and he asked more information from George Palgaras to resolve this situation. But for some reasons he flipped, and he brought this person, Professor Jim Angel, to represent the MMTLP community on the Congress hearings. And we have a lot of evidence that he has a conflict of interest. He has very close relationships with co-founder of MMI, Ari Rubenstein, and he was one of the inventors of payment for order flow and dark pools. And why in the world we have this person on our side to represent us as the community in front of the Congress? I don't know. And why in the world Pete Sessions changed his opinion on this matter? We also don't know. So let me show you another news that the problem becomes much more bigger. Due Diligence wrote just recently, he retweeted this tweet from Glenn Beck, and the original tweet is following: is someone short selling our banking stocks? This feels like GameStop. Can we make it illegal to short sell our financial sector, as it is directly related to national security? If this is happening, who is doing it? And Due Diligence retweeted it and added: someone is not only shorting our banking stocks, but they are also shorting many others illegally. If your staff at the Blaze is not yet aware of MMTLP scandal that is doing to blow the lid of criminal activities on Wall Street, I implore you to read this and DM me for more information. And he posted some links. And the problem became really massive. Let me show you that Frank Ness on his website wrote this article: the White House vows to monitor illegal short selling. And let me quote this: the White House has vowed to monitor illegal short selling activity after bank stocks have taken massive plunge. Shares of PacWest Bancorp fell more than 50% on Thursday and are down more than 70% in the past week alone. Reuters wrote: US federal and state officials are assessing the possibility of market manipulation behind big moves in banking share prices in recent days, a source familiar with the matter said on Thursday, as the White House vowed to monitor short-selling pressure on healthy banks. And let me show you that right now. On your right side, you can see the list of banks, list of American banks, and they are all in red. And I have to say that, for example, PacWest Bancorp lost from the previous swing high on April 26th about 70% of its value. And from the beginning of banking crisis at the very beginning of March, it lost about 88% of its value. On top of that, this bank, it is a Western Alliance Bank Corporation, also has a massive hit by the short sellers, and definitely it hurts the entire US economy, and it hurts a lot of people who are working for this economy. Basically, it hurts the entire country. That's why we have to unite, and that's why if you think that my information is valuable for the community, and if you want to spread this information to the broader audience in order to attract them on our side, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and share this video with your friends and family. In this case, we will have more attention, we will bring more attention to this problem, and we will have more chances to win this battle. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.